The final danger of working EMS is your own mental health. The truth is, inside of EMS, you're going to see things that are going to stick with you for a very long time. So you be advised that you are going to see things that, this is not a statistic, but I'll just say it. Only 1% of the population is ever going to really see, right? This is EMS. You're going to see homes, scenes. You're going to see every type of person out there that you could ever imagine. Every type of home environment you could ever imagine. You're going to see. Every sort of emergency, you're going to see them all, right? So with that being said, I'm going to leave you with this. Never, ever be scared to ask for help if you're having a tough time dealing with a call. It is not a weakness. It is essential that you do that, and there should be a support network where you are at working. Some sort of group you can go to, or even your supervisor, whoever, a coworker, a partner. Do not keep it inside. You need to get it out. That way you can move on. Get back in the saddle, if you will, and get to that next call and do what you were born to do.